are here now in Arizona, guys! Welcome to Arizona! I already at the lake. I think this is not the part of the lake. Yeah. So beautiful. There's a lot of houses. We're gonna go first in our hotel. Then we're gonna ride to the lake, Powell. Down there. This is the Page City, in Arizona. In Arizona. First time. Oh wow! Hello, ang ganda! Ang ganda sa, oh my god! Oh man! Just here. Ganda! Ang ganda naman dito, Lord. Ganda, Lord. Hello guys! Ayan, we are going to see the Lake Powell. Lake Powell Page. Lake Powell here in Page City. Awesome. Ang ganda talaga guys. So look at behind me. Ganda. Ganda naman din. Ala kaganda. Wala tayo din sa kabila. Oh, yan yung lake. Kaya ang ganda. Tingnan naman sa baba. Tingnan nyo guys, ang ganda-ganda dyan sa baba. Oh. Wow. Ang ganda ng ginawa ng Panginoon. Wow. So pretty. So nice. Ganda. Ayan, ang ganda. Wait. Pero ito no, ang ganda. Ang ganda, oh. Enjoy guys watching. This is Lake Powell in Page, Arizona. Look at that. How pretty it is. Wow. Hotel namin tonight. Bukas ibang hotel na naman kami.
keer kan ik parkeren.
Dan kunnen we gewoon hier door deze deur.
Als het goed is wel, hè?
The room is big.
Oh, look. Ja.
Oké, doe maar dicht. Wil je dadelijk met me meekomen dat we hier...